Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Dauphine Street runs through the heart of New Orleans, Louisiana, offering a quieter but deeply historic parallel to the city's more famous thoroughfares. Named after Louis Dauphine of France, the street reflects the city's French colonial origins and its long cultural ties to Europe and the Caribbean. As the drive begins in the French Quarter, Dauphine Street reveals some of the neighborhood's best preserved architecture. Many of the buildings lining this street date from the late 1800s and early 1900s, rebuilt after devastating fires swept through the area in the late 1700s. These structures showcase classic Creole townhouses with wrought iron balconies, tall shuttered windows, and interior courtyards designed to catch cooling breezes in the humid climate. Dauphine Street has long been a residential and cultural corridor rather than a commercial one. While Bourbon Street nearby became known for entertainment and nightlife, Dauphine retained a more local character. Over the years, it has been home to musicians, artists, and writers who shaped New Orleans' distinctive creative identity. As the drive continues toward the Faubourg Marigny, the atmosphere subtly changes. The buildings become more colorful, and the street takes on a bohemian feel. This area developed in the early 1800s as one of the city's first planned suburbs, attracting free people of color, immigrants, and craftsmen. Their influence helped shape the neighborhood's strong musical and artistic traditions. Dauphine Street also played a role in the early history of jazz. In the late 1900s, nearby clubs and dance halls hosted musicians who blended African rhythms, European instruments, and Caribbean influences, contributing to the birth of a uniquely New Orleans sound. Throughout its length, Dauphine Street reflects the layers of history that define New Orleans. From French and Spanish colonial roots to Creole culture, from quiet residential blocks to vibrant artistic communities, the street offers a snapshot of the city's enduring spirit. Today, Dauphine Street remains a place where history and everyday life coexist. Its shaded sidewalks, historic facades, and steady rhythm of local life provide a calm, authentic view of New Orleans. Thanks for watching!